My people for house, how una dey? Dis na TMC television wey dey knack you better informate. My name na Nigo Idako, and right now I stand up for UNIBEN main gate. We wan waka enter inside make we follow people talk based on the matter wey happen yesterday and this morning. Students and soldiers dey say dey get matter to settle. More enter inside, more see wetin dey.
See, yesterday when there was chaos everywhere, nowhere to move to. We have to park this car. Even as we're on the queue, before it got finished, we could not move the car. We have to park it. This morning now to come to see that the two windscreen have been broken, including the headlamp. Don't expect this one. I was even sick. I said, since it is in UNIBEN, it's secure. But look at it now. What I heard in the news that the soldier came and vandalized everywhere. I'm just coming. I don't know what is happening now.
What happened yesterday was a very terrible situation in the University of Benin community. For this school, it never happened before. Say soldier enter school, come they be student. Talk less of when they destroy properties. You can see. Look at what is happening. They destroy many of the cars inside school. They destroy. Even after solving the situation yesterday, they came back as at this early morning, 1 a.m. They came 1 a.m. to cause trouble, shooting and everything, beating students, harassing the female students, harassing the male students, and beating them, which is very, very appalling. And this is one of the things we cannot tolerate anymore. Enough is enough. I don't see the reason why soldiers go enter inside school, come they humiliate it. iPhone 14 Pro Max, they smash it. Over 1.something million naira. They know what that phone is. They smash it. Very bad. It's very. Look at the car. Look at the car. Everything. They scattered everything. Enough is enough. This is a community on its own. We cannot take this anymore. Soldiers coming into our school to destroy the properties of the school, to destroy the property, to take away the peace of the students. It is very, very wrong and very, very appalling, and we cannot take anymore.
That's not what happened yesterday. Before the management don't tell us calm down. Now we dey even offend. Now we don't offend because queue day. So the man go come, he go say make student come on, make them withdraw. Student go come on. It's like they don't do 3 to 5 times. Even there when they press for, they say the girl they record them. Begin they harass the girl, they beat the girl. Then people say, "Okay, may you leave the girl." They begin they beat other person. They even slap our CSO for school. What happened now? They was our CSO, our chief security officer slap.
What insult be that?
Not be insult. As they begin they beat people. The thing what even happen say not be even student beat the soldier, not be the major thing. Because if you even watch the video, you look at you go come see the kind English wey the person they speak. You go know say this person not be student. The person no say he say for Benin. So when the person make that kind of comment, you know say that person no be student do that thing. So even the school don't come out and say no go barrack. But yesterday we wan come carry the players go meet them because they harass our students. The evidence that we have presented today, they smash and that they destroy them. Okay, now students they sleep. Students they sleep around 1 to 2 a.m. You can't jump fence. Don't say you won't pass normal gate. Jump fence. Some people they destroy motor, they destroy car, they beat security men. As we they speak now, even students no get security. So people they run, they come up for school. We don't they safe again. So if Nigerian government no fit attack, if their commander no fit call people wey do this thing, we no go take a life, we know they happy. See joy no dey our mind. The country don kukuma scatter. So make dem no come use am come dey attack students. Because we wey be students we don suffer. First of all, we don stay 8 months for house. We come still resume school. So that one come still carry their katakata come dey pursue us
inside school community.
Abeg make dem all do something.
Make dem no try come this school again.
Make I just tell you this attitude wey soldier show say they dey behave like herdsmen. Only herdsmen go fit attack people if they dey sleep. So if soldier fit come by when we dey sleep when they attack us, I no see any difference wey dey between soldier and the herdsmen. So make they address this matter because as e be us for body so we dey paro and we no happy.
The matter no be small one o, wey concern University of Benin, security and fire service, even kpakpa, those wey dey pass, everybody dey involved. Now yesterday, the 2nd of February, when we sit down for office here, we come see and say soldiers wey come take money from ATM, then many well, and information wey we hear say dem be new soldiers. So when they come now, and then they roll about, you see them, they come from left, they come from right. You know the ATM wahala and the new Naira note. So before we know, at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, then we dey hear shout from Fidelity side. They come. If you know UNIBEN well, you go understand wetin they talk for Bank Road. When we dey hear shout, when we look, now we see and say soldiers. Then they plenty in number. Then carry wood, then carry stick, anything. Then hold many things. Then they pursue one man wey wear cloth, mufti. As they pursue the man, the man come they run towards our side for fire service here. When they come now, he be like say he won't take shelter here. Wetin happen? Now so they include us for wetin we no know and we no know too. Then we all come, the people wey dey headquarters, because the man self can't still run go there, can't still come out. Wetin happen? Now in fights come dey everywhere. They fight everybody. Those wey want protect themselves, they say the best form of defense, abia then they talk am, na to fight back. But in my own case now, to say I fight self, then this one happened to me. I think if even they good, I for say now because of I fight, now I make this one happen. Me, I no fight. I just did the scene, say, waiting they happen, waiting. It never make us understand. The next thing I hear, now a person come blow me for eye. One soldier come blow me for eye. Now we take this so. After that one, they come carry me for emergency, go UBTH. And then I come they receive treatment till they come discharge me for night. Now house we did that night when my oga come call me, say the soldiers then still go reinforce, come back at about 12 or thereabouts. This time around, when then they come, they took everybody unaware. Oyibo they call and say they scale through the fence, which means they jump fence, they no follow through the gate. We both refer to that one as invade. They invaded us. Now you take they see all the damages everywhere when the soldiers them do. Tori where we hear say they also carry guns, and there's evidence to all these things when they talk. They shoot sporadically for air, then beat firemen, beat security, beat those POS vendors. We come POS that night with the aim of getting money when they go do their business. As you see now, if you look at very well, you go see and say they don't blind one of my eyes. Only God and go make me use this eye again. So now the matter, police don't come, different organizations don't come.
Yeah, in as much as I'm not happy that the rate of Benin is trending right now for something like this, but still sometimes we still have to voice out and express our grievances in order for it not to keep happening as we know. Basically, the issue on the ground is not far from the fact that some students were at the ATM stand yesterday inside the school trying to make withdrawals, and some military personnel came and told them to leave the queue. Now, for the fact that these students felt this sense of entitlement, and this is my school, so they felt quite embarrassed. But even at that, they did not want to fight back, respecting the uniform and the officers. So some of them retreated and said, okay, let them use the ATMs too. So somebody was with our phone, and then they said the guy is videoing them. So they took the phone and smashed the phone on the ground. So while the girl tried talking, they called the female soldier to slap her, and she was slapped. So the girl went to security unit to get shield and to as well explain to them that her phone has been smashed to the ground. And getting there, the chief security officer came out to address the situation. He was also slapped. So he was slapped, and the whole thing led to a rancor, and the students were angry, and the police and the soldier men were trying to get back to the students as well. So we just kindly locked our school gates and stayed back inside the school premises. But albeit we we had to go somewhere to vent our anger and grievances. We are at the main gate. We protested and we blocked the gate, protesting that they should come to our hearing, and so we let them know things that have been spoiled and how these things can be fixed. But nobody came on today, but after 7 when we left them. So, but we don't demand that it was no longer ideal for us to keep staying at that road at that particular point in time. So we went to our various posters, now need to reinforce for probably the next day. But to our greatest dismay, at about after 12 to 1, when the school gate is already locked, but the school usually is locked by 12, we started hearing gunshots. They were shooting, and our security men were beating. As we speak now, some of them are in UBTH and even the school health center. They were beating about more than 40 vehicles. The glasses were broken. Some vehicles had not left the school premises already. The glasses were broken, the windscreen were broken, and the whole issue got us all scared. We were praying, we were singing, and we were scared. But albeit the vice chancellor had to make one or two calls that saved the day, and we learned that they have retreated, and the students had to sleep. But we slept throughout last night with one eye open and one eye closed. But albeit, just like as I'm here now, just finished with a meeting with the Commissioner of Police, who have as well promised and assured us that he is working on the matter, and he has passed the message to appropriate authorities, and he has also promised to deploy, I appeal to him that for our safety, we are kind of scared, and he has also promised to deploy security men to the school premises to ensure that our safety is of utmost priority to them. And of course, the Vice Chancellor has not been on rest on this matter, trying to safeguard the lives and the students in the University of Benin.